How to log out Facebook from all devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to log out Facebook from all devices. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook. Sign in to your account. Tap three-line menu icon at top right. Navigate to gear icon at top right to access settings and privacy section. Now you need to tap on See More in Account Center at top of your screen. Scroll down and look for the option of Password and Security. Tap on where you are logged in. Select your Facebook account, and here you will find all your other devices where your Facebook account has been logged in. If you wish to log out Facebook from all other devices, simply you need to scroll to the bottom and tap on Select Devices to log out at bottom left. Tap Select All at top right corner, and you can tap on Logout button at bottom of your screen. Tap on Logout and this will log out Facebook from all devices. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.